You may already know that malaria is a mosquito-transmitted disease. This is an important piece of knowledge necessary to map the risk of contracting malaria. However, reliable mapping of malaria requires a scientific understanding of the complex biological and environmental systems responsible for the disease. Malaria is caused by parasites called Plasmodium. There are 5 main species that can cause the disease. However, only 2 of these species regularly infect humans: Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium falciparum. These parasites are transmitted to humans through the bite of female Anopheles mosquitoes. Malaria depends on a triangle connecting 3 key players: the Plasmodium parasite, the mosquito vector, and the human host. The mosquito must survive in the environment. The parasite must successfully develop within the mosquito. Transmission must occur during mosquito-host contact, and the infection must establish and develop within the human host. Each connection represents a critical interaction, and altogether the connections construct the malaria life cycle. The 4-stage malaria cycle. The malaria transmission cycle has 4 distinct components. Component 1, mosquito population ecology. This focuses on the mosquito population itself, what environmental factors affect how many mosquitoes are present in an area. Things like standing water for breeding, temperature, and humidity all play crucial roles. Component 2, the human parasite development. This stage tracks what happens after a person becomes infected. When a person acquires the malaria parasite, the parasite must develop within the human body before it can be transmitted again. Component 3, the mosquito parasite development. The parasite also develops within the mosquito. The parasite must undergo specific developmental changes inside the mosquito before it can infect a human. Component 4, transmission events. This final stage focuses on the actual transmission moments when mosquitoes and humans interact. This includes both when an infected mosquito bites a healthy person and when a healthy mosquito bites an infected person. Malaria transmission is heavily climate dependent because temperature and rainfall play critical roles in the development process. If a region is too cold or too hot, mosquitoes will die and the parasite cannot complete its development. If a region is too dry, not enough mosquitoes will be able to breed and be available to transmit parasites. In more technical terms, temperature and rainfall alter the vectoral capacity of malaria. What this means in practical terms is that at certain temperatures, malaria transmission risk is very low, while at other temperatures, the risk becomes much higher. This is why malaria is predominantly found in warm tropical regions.